The top 5 skills that every healthcare professional should have. 1. Communication. Healthcare professionals must be able to communicate effectively with patients, families, and colleagues. This includes active listening, empathy, and clear and concise verbal and written communication. 2. Critical thinking. Healthcare professionals must be able to analyze complex information, make sound decisions, and solve problems effectively. This includes the ability to think creatively, evaluate evidence, and make informed judgments. 3. Attention to detail. Healthcare professionals must be detail-oriented and able to accurately record and interpret patient information. This includes the ability to identify and respond to changes in patient conditions and to follow protocols and procedures. 4. Compassion. Healthcare professionals must be compassionate and caring, with a genuine desire to help others. This includes the ability to provide emotional support, show empathy, and treat patients with dignity and respect. 5. Teamwork. Healthcare professionals must be able to work effectively as part of a team, collaborating with other healthcare professionals to provide the best possible care for patients. This includes the ability to communicate effectively, share information, and work together to solve problems.